From unidentified object in the space to ghostly faces appeared on the floor. Here are the 15 most mysterious photos ever taken. This photo was taken in 1919. This photo is a group portrait of Goddard's squadron which had served in World War I. An extra ghostly face appears in the photo. In back of the airman positioned on the top row, fourth from the left, can clearly be seen the face of another man. It is said to be the face of Freddie Jackson, an air mechanic who had been accidentally killed by an airplane propeller 2 days earlier. His funeral had taken place on the day this photograph was snapped. Members of the squadron easily recognized the face of Jackson's. An object photographed in 1998 during the STS-88 mission has been widely claimed to be the alien artifact. In 1954, US Air Force had reported that 2 satellites orbiting Earth had been detected. At this time, no one had the technology to launch a satellite. In February 1960, there was a further report that the US Navy had detected a dark, tumbling object in an orbit inclined at 79 degrees from the equator with an orbital period of 104.5 minutes. Till today, no explanation was found about this object. This photo was taken in 2011 by a trail camera. The S.J. Goatman is a creature which reportedly haunts San Jose State University in San Jose, California. It became one of the most famous hauntings in California when a photographer from SJSU magazine claimed to have captured his image. The Goatman is so named because of the goat-like features this man possesses. The Goatman is claimed to be half man, half goat. His face resembles a diminutive goat head. His legs appear to be hooved. This picture was taken by a CCTV camera at Hampton Court Palace in winter 2003. On 3 consecutive days, palace security staff were called to close the particular fire door near the palace's introductory exhibition. On the first day, CCTV footage showed the doors were flying wide open with great force, but there was nothing to reveal why. On the second day, the same thing happened, but this time, a ghostly looking figure in period dress suddenly appeared on the screen and closed the doors. The doors opened again on the third day, but there was no further sign of the ghostly doorkeeper. This is a painting from 15th century by Domenico Ghirlandaio. Above Mary's right shoulder, there is a disc-shaped object. Below is a blow-up of this section, and a man and his dog can clearly be seen looking up at the object. It is said that this painting is a painting of UFO, and obviously a mysterious one. These pictures were taken during a period from 1971 till today. The Belmez faces or the faces of Belmez is an alleged paranormal phenomenon in a private house in Spain which started in 1971 when residents claimed images of faces appeared in the concrete floor of the house. These images have continuously formed and disappeared on the floor of the home. This is considered as the most important paranormal phenomenon in the 20th century. Do you believe in ghosts? If you don't, this image just might change your mind. This picture was taken in Dudley Castle. Dean and Amy Harper from Birmingham, England were on a family trip to famous Dudley Castle in England, built in 11th century. This place has been dubbed England's most haunted. There are numerous reports of ghostly sightings for centuries. As the Harpers were snapping pictures of Sharrington Range, a set of buildings within the castle, Amy noticed this ghost-like figure in the doorway of one of her photos. This picture was taken by a trail camera. A sort of winged demon, ghost, alien or something creature has allegedly been caught on a camera chasing a deer. You can see this picture floating through internet. No one has any explanation what it was. This photo was taken in 1972. This is a picture of a small part of the moon. This picture was taken during the Apollo 17 mission. This image at first glance might not draw your attention, but upon closer examination you will notice a triangle-shaped object hiding in the background. So the question comes up as to what could it be? Is it a pyramid? If it is, then who got the technology to make it there? Aliens? It is a very mysterious photo. The Solo effort refers to a figure seen in a photograph taken in 1964 by fireman, photographer and local historian Jim Templeton. The famous photo was taken on Burj Mars, situated near Burj by Sands, overlooking the Solo Firth in Cumbria, England. Templeton claimed that the photograph shows a background figure wearing a spacesuit, but he did not see anyone present when the photograph was taken. The image was reproduced widely in contemporary newspapers and gained the interest of alien believers. This image was taken in 1963 by the Reverend K. Flood. The Spectre of Newby Church is the name given to an artifact found on a photograph taken in the church. As the artifact appears to resemble a human, much speculation has been had regarding what type of person might be in the image. Most speculation has concluded that it resembles a 16th century monk with a white shroud over their face, possibly to mask leprosy or another disfigurement. In relation to the nearest furniture, any figure would measure at 9 feet tall. This photo was taken in 2011. A deer camera was set up in an attempt to catch trespassers on some property in Georgia. The owners had seen lights in the woods on numerous occasions and had reported them to the police. Police thought it could be hunters, but what the camera caught was this photo, some kind of fairy or angel-like glowing creature. It is supposedly an image caught on a trail camera in the woods in Rowan or maybe Cabarrus County, but it turns out that it is something else entirely. It shows two deer and what appears to be a little girl holding a blanket or perhaps a doll. What was she doing in the jungle at night alone? It's clearly a paranormal kind of photo. This picture was taken in 1950. The Cooper family of Texas bought an old house and moved into it. On their first night there, the father took a photo of mom and grandma posing with the two kids at the dining room table. But when the photo was subsequently developed, they saw, to their horror, that what looked like a body falling or hanging from the ceiling had materialized behind them. It had not been there when the father took the photo. So where had it come from? It remains a mystery. A photograph from 1941 of genuine authenticity of the reopening of the South Fork Bridge in Gold Bridge, British Columbia was alleged to show a time traveler. It was claimed that his clothing and sunglasses were modern and not of the styles worn in the 1940s. So guys, if you reached up to this, it means you enjoyed our video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to Truth Feeds for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you soon.